right, I'm the flatratemaster. Let's talk about the joy of auto repair. When it comes down to it, there's a lot of stuff we have to deal with as technicians. Customers not doing the right repairs, shops not treating us right. There are lots of things wrong with this industry. But let's talk about some of the cool stuff that we get to do on a day-to-day basis. We get to play with cool tools. You know, that's the cool part, is we always get to get something coming in that's broken and we get to return it fixed. They bring them to us. We're not spending hours in traffic being HVAC technicians or something like that. They come to us. Their car's broken, whether it comes on a tow truck, whether they drive it in, they've got a problem and we fix it. That's the coolest thing about auto repair. We get to constantly put people back in their vehicles. No, do we always get to do it the way we'd like to because of budgets? But that's, you know, any business. Anytime, any job you go into, customers aren't going to be able to do the repair that you suggest to them. They're not always going to be able to afford the best thing for them. Just that's life. You know, if you look at your own life, you know, we can't all afford the best of everything, or when something breaks, sometimes a Band-Aid has to work. But it's still the gratification day after day, hour after hour of every day we get to fix somebody else's problem. Kind of cool. You know, think about it. Day after day, somebody comes in with a problem, we get to fix it. We get compensated for it. Obviously, that's kind of cool too. You know, that's the thing about auto repair is I love the process of fixing cars. I love diagnosing cars, fixing cars, giving customers back their vehicle in way better than I received it. I love that. I love giving back a car that was leaking out of every seal, back pristine, dry, no leaks. I love that. I love coming in where it's running poorly, diagnose it properly, fix it properly, deliver it back to the customer, driving like a dream. I love that. I love the satisfaction of coming in and seeing a vehicle that's broke, going through the process of diagnosing it, fixing it, and then test driving it and seeing the instant results of my hard work. I've turned that vehicle back into a fully functioning means of conveyance for our customer, for our client, or whatever you want to call them. This industry is such a satisfying experience for people like me that enjoy fixing broken things. And that's the thing, is that's the joy of auto repair, is you get to fix broken things on a daily basis and you get paid for it. And that's one of the awesome things about this industry, is constantly getting that, you know, euphoria hit of, you know, this was broke. I fixed it. I fixed that car. Customer now can get to work. Customer can now go on vacation. It's awesome. And it truly is one of the best things about having a career in automotive, is you constantly get, great thing about being in this industry, there's lots of minutia that sucks. But the fact that you get to go in every day and solve someone else's problems is just awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flatratemaster.